Next, I'd like to explain how you power up and use the Icon when it first comes out of the box. So the Icon powers up much quicker than the original version. When I plug it in, you don't have to press any switches, just wait a minute and it will power up all by itself much faster than the original product. 15 seconds and you'll see it come up with your main menu. And here we have the main menu. I'd like to show you how to set the clock up on your Icon. When you first get it, it's probably going to be set to the Central Time Zone because that's where the product is built. So if I click on the time date in the upper right corner here, you're going to see it bring up a clock. So if I wanted to change the time or the date, I can select the button next to the date here and pick the date on the calendar that it's the current date. And then for the time, you can select the hours and hit the up arrow or the down arrow to get it to be the right time. So to set the time zone, select the drop-down menu and grab the slide bar up and down in order to select the proper time zone for your Icon. If you're on the West Coast, select Pacific time and press OK. Now your transactions will all be recorded with the exact time and date that your prescriptions were filled. Power down the product. Very simple, straightforward. Just simply press the shutdown button from the main screen. If you want to do a restart for some reason, you can select that. Otherwise, press shutdown and wait a few seconds. As soon as you see this display, it goes gray and then dark. It's done, and you can unplug it if you need to, or it's ready to be repowered up whenever you need to. The barcode scanner will still turn on when it's powered down. The scanner has a motion sensor, so it automatically turns on every time it sees motion in that area. So it is still powered down, but power is going to the scanner, so when it detects motion, you will see it turn on. That does not mean your product is not turned off. The board is completely shut down and all the electronics are off except for the scanner. Now to turn it back on, you simply press the button on the back and wait for 15 seconds while it powers back up. We're back up and running, ready to go.